minimum cart amount on Shopify wholesale theme. So first you need to purchase this theme. The link is in the description. So after purchasing, you can set the minimum cart amount. Let me share you the working of the minimum cart amount. So if a user is a wholesale user, first they need to log in. The login you can see from this icon. I put the testing account that is mentioned. So if I add the product into the cart, you can see the minimum order amount, that is the 600. So this is the minimum threshold, so customer need to purchase more than this. So how can you set up? Just you need to log in to your store backend, then click on themes, then go to the customize, click on theme settings, wholesale settings, change the pricing, click on save. Go to the front end, refresh, and you can see the minimum cart amount. So if I purchase more than that, I can see the checkout button. So customer need to purchase more than the cart amount that you can set for the wholesale customer. The link is in the description. You can check the demo or purchase this theme. You just need to install the theme and the wholesale will work without any app. Thank you.